Hello guys, and once again, welcome to Unbox Baby. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bright Star's Playful Pinwheels bouncer. I love this bouncer. It is very colorful and it also has a removable toy bar. You're going to love it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the Bright Star's Playful Pinwheels bouncer. I got this bouncer for about $19.94. It was actually in a bundle with the play mat. You guys will love this bouncer. You can see here at the top that it has a removable toy bar, as well as it comes with a vibration feature here at the bottom. I love this bouncer. Not only is it affordable, but it can grow with your baby as well. You guys know that I have a 1-month-old, and I just wanted to see how this bouncer would fit him, and I wanted to see if this would really work. The colors on here are great. It really keeps your baby's attention. I want to let you know that this will be a time-lapse video, and I will show you the end product at the end. All right, let's get going. Alright guys, so it is the finished product. You can see my little baby here is all set in the bouncer. I really love putting this together. It wasn't too difficult, but please read the instructions. So that is the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you bought this bouncer. Let me know if it worked for your baby, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy your baby.